No.
What's your name?
I don't have one.
You don't have a name? Ma'am, can you talk to me? Hey, ma'am.
Let go of me!
Just talk to me.
No, let go of me!
All right, stop.
Let go of me!
I'm done with this. I'm done.
Let go of me!
Talk to me. What is your name?
Let go of me!
On March 30th, 2025, a routine trespass enforcement at Walmart escalated into a battery on a peace officer charge. This case examines Fourth Amendment arrest authority and use of force standards.
What's going on?
Nothing much. I just have a female that we've caught stealing here before. She's been trespassed twice out of here.
Okay.
And I just like watching her.
Okay.
Just wait for you guys.
What's she doing now?
She has a cart full of stuff and she's marking merchandise off. Like you can see the black.
Okay. All right. Where's she at?
She is currently in a barrel on Biden's.
Okay. So if she's been trespassed from here already, I think I'm just going to address this now instead of letting her, obviously just deal with that. Especially we're 10 minutes till shift change.
Right.
So,
I didn't know that.
Yeah. No, you're good. You're good. I figured this is something I can address now, and
I didn't know about it until I called you guys.
Yeah. No worries. No worries. Yeah. And the district officer is out in the parking lot dealing with a whole nother thing. So.
Oh, okay.
It's a busy day. So.
Okay. It shouldn't take too long. I think last time she was pretty compliant. So
Okay.
I think she's high because she knows who we are and she still is doing everything back there.
Wow.
Yeah. I stopped her before. She looked straight at me and just kept walking over.
Is Ashley?
Yeah, it's her last name. And
Oh, okay. Yeah, that sounds right.
Ashley.
You know, off chance of when she was trespassing there? Like how long
I
ago?
haven't pulled up the mine.
Okay, no worries.
I had two different ones. I had one from March and one from February.
Is that her?
No. She's wearing a face mask. And
Okay. Will you make your way to the back of the store? We're near the restrooms.
apparently it's just the stuff she's took in
Yeah, she's
apparently and tossed it with packaging.
Okay.
Like, I don't know, the officers last time when we got her stopped, I don't know if he checked the purse or not because he had her go outside.
Okay. Do we know where she would? It was like in a purse where she tucked all that stuff?
She had a book bag.
In a book bag?
Yeah.
Okay.
I think it's still in the cart.
Okay. Is that her cart right there?
Yeah, that's her cart.
That she's been marking the barcodes
She
and.
marks barcodes and she carries the tag.
Okay.
She's been here 2 times before, and each time, last time was like $2,000 worth of stuff. Yeah.
Jeez. That's ridiculous. Okay. Do you know if she came here in a vehicle or she was not sure?
I'm not sure. She probably did.
Okay. No worries.
Yeah, I think she did. Because last time they thought she had like a driver, so she was ready to go, but apparently she didn't. So
Okay.
I think she made a vehicle.
Okay.
Did she go to jail the last time?
I have no clue. I don't.
Yeah, we'll have to probably put that.
I know, I wanted
Yeah, I
to
don't
know.
know.
I watched her for 3.5 hours of my shift.
Wow.
It was $2,100, but it was right at 11 o'clock when we were closing. And I stayed over an hour just watching.
Right. Right. Jeez.
Yeah, I know. I was mad. It's an hour I didn't get back. I don't want overtime.
You're right. No, I
Is
don't
Ashley
get
in the
it.
bathroom?
She is third
Hey,
stall.
how you doing? I ain't seen you like forever.
Third stall. She's gonna have this stuff,
There's a book bag here.
and most likely in her book bag.
Did she not leave the book bag in here? Because I didn't see her grab it into the bathroom.
I don't see it in here.
Oh, she did. She tears
Apparently she was
tags.
trespassed
And when
in
I
here.
stopped her last time, she said she tears the tags off because she didn't want it to beep at the door.
So is this what we're looking at then?
Well, this is what she did.
Has
There's nothing in them, so we're
Yeah.
assuming.
Well, she probably has concealed at least.
Yeah.
Okay.
But
Well,
she's trespassed.
so at least that.
Yeah.
So she's been trespassed previously.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna.
She was
said-
trespassed when I stopped her, but I didn't know that.
Right.
Hey Ashley, it's Officer Ingalls with the police department. You need to come out. Okay, well, hurry it up. My body camera's on as well. So, once she comes out here, I'm going to, actually,
Good.
I need to go check the stall. Anyway, I'll have to go check the stall, so I'll go ahead and bring her out here. I'll go check the stall, and then I'll ask her about her backpack and everything.
There's some makeup products and This is definitely, that was what's open. This looks like a shirt tag. It's probably
Make sure you have enough
this is an aqua football. I don't know where she hit it or, but this is what she did. So she was walking around. This is the Bodycam.
I knew if I saw that
What do you got? Yeah.
So, this is the one. I don't know if you were working. I did traffic stop her because she was called in as a DUI from Thornton's. I stopped her on Veterans. She's got that disease.
Oh,
I put her daughter through Shop with a Hero
okay.
because of that.
Okay.
So this is who this is.
So do you think there's a bit of, it's a cognitive disease? Like there's some sort of like,
She knows exactly what she's doing. She just loses control of her functions and stuff.
Okay. Okay. Got it. Got it.
Do you have anything in your backpack that you haven't paid for? No. That you've taken out of packages? No? No. Okay, do you mind if I look?
It's mine. I leave trash.
Okay. They've got you on video. All right? So you just might as well cooperate. It's going to be a lot better for you.
I don't steal anything. I didn't take anything out of packages. I didn't do anything.
Okay. Go ahead and have a seat there. Yeah, you can use that one, yeah. I'm not afraid to go through this crap, so I'm not sure if you think I am, but. Okay, go ahead and get your backpack. Come with me. Go to the right. Just come over here. Do you want to go look at the video?
Look at the video? I can.
Yeah, I mean,
I can.
we don't need to do that. I'll just arrest her for trespass, then we can search the backpack because she's refusing.
Okay.
So that's
Yeah.
how we'll do it.
All right. That's fine with me.
I'm gonna put these in that package.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Give me your sweatshirt.
Will you take the backpack off, please?
So they did verify she has been trespassed?
They said dispatch did not.
They did
I
not
have
see.
it pulled up on our system. Check what she is.
I forgot.
You forgot you were trespassed?
You were told that you were trespassed from here?
And I forgot.
Okay.
Okay,
All right.
well.
Go ahead and turn around. You're being arrested for criminal trespass because you are not supposed to be here at Walmart.
Please be careful with my left eye.
Okay.
Okay. Do you have anything on your person that you shouldn't have? Anything on your body? Nothing? No?
No.
Okay.
All right. We're gonna head up to the security office.
Okay.
You wanna head up to? You wanna meet some?
Okay, so speak up just a little bit for me so I can hear you. But so, what was the intentions today?
And most of this for my daughter.
Okay, so you were going to purchase the stuff that was in the cart, but yet the other stuff you were not? That's why all the tags are off of them, the box pulls are off of them, and they're in the...
I didn't take no boxes off or nothing.
Okay.
The only thing that I had in my book bag was clothes. I didn't take anything out of no packages. I didn't open nothing.
Okay.
The only thing-
Just the clothes.
Yes.
Okay. So all the tags that were in that sanitary thing, those are the clothes that are in your backpack,
Yes.
right? Okay. Do you want to go through all that? And I'm going to go and go do my notice to appearance for the criminal trespass and the retail theft.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep, that works.
I'll take care of this. You can disregard. I'm just going to release her on a couple notice to appears.
You want the other half of that?
Okay. Well, what I'm doing right now is I'm trying to put everything down in a way where I can show that tags were ripped off.
Oh, okay.
Do you have someone getting a training receipt for like all of those that we have that were torn off?
You want me to? I can.
I would say yeah,
Okay.
because I think there's a retail theft charge for removal of.
So you want all the tags?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. Do you mind just hanging out with her till Billy gets done?
Oh, yeah. There's that photograph. You need me to photograph the alley card?
The Fourth Amendment protects against unreasonable searches and seizures. For lawful arrest, officers need probable cause. Here, two independent grounds existed. First, positive identification of a previously trespassed individual. Under property law, business owners have absolute authority to exclude individuals. Once formally trespassed, re-entry is criminal. The loss prevention officer's identification established clear probable cause for the arrest. Second ground, active theft. The subject was tampering with price tags and concealing merchandise. When the subject refuses to identify, claiming I don't have a name, I don't have an ID, this raises Fifth Amendment questions. In Hibble versus Nevada, the Supreme Court held that requiring name disclosure during lawful stops does not violate the Fifth Amendment. Providing one's name is not testimonial evidence. It's a categorical exception to self-incrimination protection. When she states she's leaving anyway, this reveals a fundamental misunderstanding of trespass law. The violation occurred the moment she entered the property. Voluntary departure does not negate the completed offense. When the officer places his hand on her arm, she slaps him. This is battery on a peace officer. Under Graham versus Connor from 1989, use of force must be objectively reasonable from the officer's perspective. The Supreme Court established three factors: severity of crime, immediate threat, and active resistance or evasion. Courts must judge reasonableness from the perspective of a reasonable officer on scene, not with hindsight. After the battery, officers use control holds and a takedown. No strikes, no intermediate weapons. This is proportional response. Battery on an officer justifies significantly more force than they used. Their restraint demonstrates professional training. They escalate only to minimum force necessary. The search incident to arrest doctrine from Chimel versus California permits warrantless searches following lawful arrest. Officers may search the arrestee and immediate area for weapons and evidence without a warrant. The backpack search is legally justified for officer safety and evidence preservation.
I don't think so, because we don't have anything. She didn't go past last point of sale. She had concealed this in her backpack in the restroom. And
Just
so,
all these things.
Yeah, everything was in there.
Okay. So I got up there and they found the ball for this.
Okay,
Okay.
so I found that one.
Right. These are unknown still. So I don't know.
Okay,
And there's a tag that's something that I can probably look up.
okay. Yeah, it's a clothing item. Missy Flow shirt, black. What? Yeah, they watched you on camera
No,
take these out of the box.
no, the hell I did not.
Well, where are they?
I didn't touch anything.
Okay. So we want to answer questions about those boxes. I mean, they watched you take the items out of
I
it,
didn't freaking touch the damn things.
and they watched you do it.
I don't care what they said on camera. I didn't freaking touch nothing like that. The clothes on the car,
What do I got for
stuff in
amount?
the car, yes.
From all those
But I did
tags.
not freaking touch or open anything.
$102.
I don't even know what the f it is.
Okay, did you take pictures and send them in for me?
I haven't sent them in yet. I will when I get back out of my car.
Okay.
So Tyler just wanted apparently this was all the stuff that she had concealed in her backpack, so I just took photos of these.
Yep.
I'm not sure. I don't think he took photos of those, but I can.
It's not necessary.
Okay.
Because yeah, I mean that stuff didn't. The stuff, yeah, the stuff that the tags were taken off of, and. Come on up here for me, Ashley. I'm gonna have you sign these. Just shows that I gave them to you. Your court date on both of these is going to be April 28th at 9 o'clock in the morning. Okay. The 2 misdemeanor charges: one for the criminal trespass and one for the retail theft. You have everything that's yours now? You got your sweatshirt and stuff? Everything? Okay. Alright. They're going to be on your record. They sure are. Go ahead and sign right there for me. Just shows that I've explained the court date and what your charges are. Okay, and you are trespassed from here again. We have it in our records as well, okay? These are your copies. Like I said, April 28th at 9 o'clock for the 2 charges, okay? There you go. You can grab your backpack.
A little over 2 weeks later, the woman returned once again.
She's a offender. She's marked out tags quite a few times previously and has been trespassed.
Okay, where's she
at least
at?
once. She's over by the fitting room, I do believe.
Okay. Do you know her name?
I don't. Sorry.
It's okay.
Our AP was tied up on a phone call, so one of our who has dealt with her before is over with that in
Kind
that
of just
area.
observing.
So, yep,
Okay.
observing. I know. We've asked her to leave multiple times before, and then I know that she has been escorted.
Okay.
Whoa. Right here.
Hello. Okay. Hello. Hey, so do you have an ID on you by chance?
No,
What's your name?
I don't have one.
You don't have a name? Hey, ma'am. Can I talk to you for a second? Can I see what... Did she steal the bag? Ma'am, can I talk to you? Command 5. She's walking back towards the entrance. Hey,
My
ma'am,
phone's in
ma'am.
my phone's in the car.
Okay, all right. Hey, ma'am.
I'm not talking to you.
Did she... Go back by the fitting rooms by the jewelry section now. All right, ma'am. Hey, I need to talk to you.
I'm not talking to nobody.
I need to talk to you because
Nope,
look,
I'm not talking to nobody.
hey, ma'am,
Let go of me.
I'm having difficulties with her, ma'am. Ma'am, can you talk to me?
Talking
Hey,
to nobody.
ma'am,
Let go of me.
just talk to me.
No, let go of me.
All right,
Get
stop.
Let go of me right now.
By customer service.
Let go of me.
Ma'am, please identify yourself.
No. Let go of me.
All right, I'm gonna walk you to the entrance, okay?
Let go of me. Let go of me.
Walking back towards the entrance, I walked in.
Let go of me.
Just identify yourself.
No, let
Ma'am.
go of me.
All right, we're gonna go to the entrance. Right here. Stop. All right, stop.
Let go of me.
I'm done with this. I'm
Let
done.
go of me.
Talk to me.
No,
What is your name?
Let go of me.
Go.
Let go
Put your hands
of
behind your
me.
Put your hands behind your back.
No.
Do you know that you
Not
just
a-
smacked me?
Yeah, because you wouldn't let go of me.
Okay, well that's
I was-
assaulting a police officer. Where's your ID at?
Oh.
You don't have an ID, you don't have a name?
That's okay. We'll figure it out.
Okay.
We're gonna
Can you
go.
pick my phone up and put it in my pocket?
Yeah, will you grab it? Yep. Thank you.
If you refuse to identify yourself, or you make this difficult, you're gonna end up going to jail and stay there until we can figure out who you are. You understand? Stop right there. Put your up against the car. Our cameras are on. Spread your feet apart.
More. Is there anything on you that's going to poke me, stick me, hurt me, or is illegal?
No.
Okay.
Bring this foot towards me. Lean forward. Can you unbuckle it?
I can't. It's strapped.
She refused to stop for you?
Yep. Wouldn't identify yourself. Smacked me.
Because you wouldn't let me go.
Because you wouldn't identify yourself.
I'm going to temporarily release this hand. I need you to not move or resist me, okay?
You're digging into my wrist.
I'm working on it. Hold on. You're going to strap her back in. Let go of your hand. Can you... We're 10-4. Okay. Let go of your hand.
Ow.
If you relax, it'd hurt way less.
Once again, is there anything on you that's going to poke me, stick me, or is it illegal?
Use your car and lock it. Take a step back. Spread your feet apart. Big and wide. Big and wide. You have gloves on. I'll just switch your places when you're done.
Okay.
You have no ID on you. No. Are you going to tell me your name?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
What's your name? Ashley what? What? How old are you?
38.
One more time.
38.
Have a seat. It's audio video recorded in the back, okay?
Can you pick my vape up for me?
Yep. We'll get it. You don't want to tell me why you want to identify yourself in Walmart? Okay.
Alright.
Okay.
Here's this.
What did he say?
He just said that he recognized. I got his info. I'll send it to you. He said that he recognized her as being trespassing. You've seen her here before. Didn't make contact with her until you got here.
Okay.
And then anything that you have. Let's shut the door.
Okay.
So, can you just explain what happened?
Yeah, so I approached her. I said, hey, what's your name? Do you have an ID on you? I don't have a name. I don't have an ID. I said, okay, well, we're going to walk to the front. She's all right. I'm leaving anyway. So I wasn't going to put hands on her until I got close to you. So I was trying to get you over there. And then that's when you showed up.
Negative.
When you showed up, I put my hand on her. She slapped me.
Okay. I was just watching her. How did she slap you?
Oh, she slapped me right here.
Are you charging her with the aggravated battery? I would.
I'm going to.
Yep.
I planned on it unless you told me otherwise.
Nope. I would do the aggravated battery and the trespass. Even tag her for resisting arrest because we grabbed onto her.
Yeah.
So, yeah, I would say that slapping you after you put hands on her to get her to stop would be resisting arrest. So,
yep.
Might as well.
Okay.
So yeah, those three.
Detainable?
They won't be detainable, but we'll take her there and give her notice to appears. Just obviously make sure to fill out your booking form and your notice to appears.
Yep. And then I've never done this with. Wasn't here during COVID. How do I know this is her? I can't see her face.
I mean, she has her ID. She's saying that's who she is.
Okay.
That's what we have to go with right now.
Okay. Yeah, she's got a COVID mask on. Yeah, I was trying to.
She wasn't like super fighting, so I wouldn't say we need to do it RTR. We just grabbed onto her and put her hands behind her back. After that, she was compliant.
Yeah,
I wouldn't do the resisting arrest, but I mean, if she's smacked you, I would say we do her on the battery.
Okay.
Because it's not like she was actively trying to get. Once we put hands on her, she was mostly compliant. She was just like, get off me.
She was trying to get away from me from the jump, but I was basically escorting her until I found you.
Yeah, but I mean, at that point, she didn't know she was under arrest technically.
Correct. Yep.
But yeah, battery and trespass.
Okay.
The officer's charging discussion reveals important prosecutorial discretion. They consider 3 potential charges. Battery on peace officer is clear. Intentional striking of an officer during lawful performance of duties. Criminal trespass is established by prior warning and subsequent unauthorized entry. Resisting arrest requires active, forceful resistance. The officers determine her actions don't meet this threshold. This charging restraint is notable. They choose accuracy over maximizing charges. This serves justice. Under Atwater versus City of Lago Vista, officers have full arrest authority even for minor misdemeanors. Instead of jail booking, they issue a notice to appear, showing additional discretion. The officer receives a B+ for lawful conduct throughout, appropriate use of force, and excellent charging discretion. Minor deductions for initial tactical positioning, but overall professional, restrained law enforcement. The subject receives a D-. She violated a clear trespass order for the 3rd documented time. She refused lawful commands, provided false information about identification, and committed battery on an officer. Her only positive action was eventual compliance after control, preventing more serious charges. The loss prevention officer receives an A- for thorough documentation and professional coordination with law enforcement. Now, critical lessons from this encounter. First, trespass authority is absolute on private property. Once formally trespassed, you cannot simply leave to avoid consequences. The crime is complete upon entry. Second, refusing to identify during lawful detention is futile and potentially criminal obstruction. Third, any physical contact with an officer during lawful duties constitutes battery and justifies force response. Fourth, officer restraint matters. These officers could have used more force but chose minimum necessary. Finally, charging discretion serves justice. Accurate charging is better than maximizing charges. For citizens, cooperation with lawful commands, even if you disagree, is the safest path forward. For officers, professional restraint and good judgment can resolve volatile situations safely. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Check out our second channel, Street Law, for more police interaction and courtroom content.